The Theurgic Tradition by H.P. Blavatsky, read by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. This piece is an extract from Phare De L'Inconnu, the beacon light of the unknown. True magic, the theurgy of Iamblichus, is in its turn identical with the gnosis of Pythagoras, the science of things which are, and with the divine ecstasy of the Philalethians, the lovers of truth. But one can judge of the tree only by its fruits. Who are those who have witnessed to the divine character and the reality of that ecstasy which is called Samadhi in India? A long series of men who, had they been Christians, would have been canonized, not by the decision of the Church, which has its partialities and predilections, but by that of whole nations, and by the vox populi, which is hardly ever wrong in its judgments. There is, for instance, Ammonius Saccas, called the Theodidactos, God instructed, the great master whose life was so chaste and so pure that Plotinus, his pupil, had not the slightest hope of ever seeing any mortal comparable to him. Then there is this same Plotinus, who was for Ammonius what Plato was for Socrates, a disciple worthy of his illustrious master. Then there is Porphyry, the pupil of Plotinus, the author of the biography of Pythagoras. Under the shadow of this divine gnosis, whose beneficent influence has extended to our own days, all the celebrated mystics of the later centuries have been developed, such as Jacob Boehme, Emanuel Swedenborg, and so many others. Madame Guyon is the feminine counterpart of Iamblichus. The Christian Quietists, the Mussulman Sufis, the Rosicrucians of all countries drink the waters of that inexhaustible fountain, the Theosophy of the Neo-Platonists of the first centuries of our Christian era. The Gnosis preceded that era, for it was direct continuation of the Gupta Vidya and of the Brahma Vidya, secret knowledge and knowledge of Brahma, of ancient India, transmitted through Egypt, just as the theurgy of the Philalethians was the continuation of the Egyptian mysteries. In any case, the point from which this diabolic magic starts is the supreme divinity. Its end and aim, the union of the divine spark which animates man, with the parent flame, which is the divine all.